dealing with low testosterone, low libido, erectile dysfunction, or any assortment of hormonal imbalances that have changed as you've aged, I'm going to share with you some natural ways to naturally boost your testosterone levels so we get your virility back. Stay tuned, gentlemen, for this helpful video. Welcome, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher, and happy holidays. I am so excited to invite you into my Healthy Vlogmas video series. And today I'm addressing a viewer question specifically focused on how to naturally enhance testosterone levels. It's a topic I know I haven't discussed fully, and I want to apologize to you, gentlemen, because I know I've talked a lot about how to manage your prostate health, and we've kind of talked a little bit around your testosterone levels, but in today's video I want to dig a little bit further into how to naturally enhance and raise your testosterone levels so you start feeling your more youthful self. I'm very excited to share with you 5 simple ways for us to enhance your testosterone levels. First and foremost, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you'll join our community, hit the subscribe bell, all that good stuff. But if you are new to my community, I talk a lot about stress. Stress in your health is one of my series here. And I actually talk a lot about stress specifically to the male hormone testosterone. So for all of you gentlemen who are my regular followers, I apologize if I'm repeating myself, but I think it's really important for us to dig a little bit further into the role cortisol, your stress hormone, plays on your testosterone levels. Simply put, when we have high or imbalanced cortisol levels, there's any degree of imbalance, when we have peaks and spikes of cortisol, what occurs in the male body is your testosterone literally gets changed into estrogen. There's a conversion. So the key to any gentleman, regardless of his age, who's dealing with low testosterone is first and foremost, we need to, 1, stop that conversion because that is crucial. But more importantly, we need to find out why that conversion is happening, and more so, what's causing that to happen. What is, or where are those cortisol levels? Where are they too high? What points of the day are they too high? How high are they? And ultimately, once you know those numbers, you can start to make some changes to stop that conversion. So how we do this is we actually do a cortisol saliva-oriented test. This is a cortisol test that literally measures your saliva values of cortisol. First time when you wake up, second time at lunch, third time at dinner, and 4th time right before bedtime. This is really crucial also because we can evaluate your DHEA levels, which is number 2. Often when men have low testosterone, there's usually a DHEA factor behind that. Now that's not always the case, and that's why we want to test it. But if you have low DHEA, which is a pro-hormone precursor to testosterone production, it's a building block, it's a nutrient, it's an ingredient. You can't make pancakes without eggs. Well, the eggs in this case are DHEA. So if you have low DHEA levels, it becomes crucial that we need to supplement with that. And there are a lot of different ways. I actually love this topical cream that has 30 milligrams of DHEA. It also has ginseng and saw palmetto as well. This is really good for any of my inflamed prostate situations or cases. More importantly, we can't do guesstimating here. We actually need to quantify and clinically analyze your levels. So if you can't get your cortisol tested or your DHEA tested by your traditional doctor, I'd love to be a resource for you, but I'm not telling you this to sell you test kits or anything. I'm telling you this because this is very important information and important testing you need to get done to analyze why do you have low T. And it's even more impactful than saying, oh, I have low T, but I need to get on testosterone shots or sublinguals or whatever. It becomes really important for us to harness the balance within your body. We need to figure out what's causing that. So with that being said, the third item that I recommend, definitely again, we want to test it, but it is often really, really low for my men, is to implement vitamin D3 supplementation, dosing of vitamin D3. Now, why is D3 super important for testosterone? Well, it's a pro-hormone. It's a steroid. It's manufactured by your liver, most of my gentlemen have some liver congestion going on. If you have any degree of constipation, and that means if you're not having 3 to 4 bowel movements a day, then you're constipated. If you have any degree of constipation, if you have any degree of high cholesterol levels, high triglyceride levels, and even elevations in your AST, ALT, which are 2 of your liver-related enzymes, that's an indicator, more than likely, you have bottom level vitamin D levels. So we supplement with vitamin D3 because we want to give your body all the building blocks, all those ingredients. So vitamin D is like the flour to the pancakes. So we have eggs, the DHEA, we have the flour, that's vitamin D3. Those are building blocks that are crucial. And often there's an assortment of imbalances that are occurring in the male body that are causing low testosterone levels. It's not just one thing. We have to look at the whole picture. And that's what I do as a naturopath, and I'm really excited to do that with you here in this video. The fourth thing that is going to be another crucial item, we can analyze it as well, are your zinc levels. There is a direct correlation between zinc levels and low testosterone. And on the flip side, we have clinical research that showcases when we supplement with zinc, men see increases in their testosterone levels. So there's a direct link between your zinc level and your testosterone level. Particularly, zinc is crucial also for healthy levels of DHEA as well as a healthy prostate. Fifth on my list are herbs. There's an assortment of adaptogenic herbs and Ayurvedic herbs that have been proven. There's clinical research and studies that showcase increases of testosterone. For an assortment of reasons, the adaptogenic herbs actually help balance the stress hormone, often lowering cortisol level, thereby stopping that conversion. That's one of the reasons why they're so impactful. The herbs that have been clinically studied that showcase significant positive increases in testosterone are ashwagandha, fenugreek is another, and ginger. And the last herb is an Ayurvedic herb. It's called Tribulus. And Tribulus has a lot of really great clinical research that showcases the benefits that it has on overall male health. It helps not only enhance your testosterone levels, but it gives you an improved libido. It gives you better functionality to minimize ED. Clinically, we see enhances in sperm counts as well. So gentlemen, these are my gifts to you this holiday season. There is no reason that you should be suffering from low testosterone. And in fact, this hormone being in the low category for you is what's holding you back from living your most vibrant, alive self. So I hope this is helpful. As always on my videos, gentlemen, I have a question of the day, and that is, which of these recommendations or items are you going to dig a little bit further into in researching your own health and improvements of your testosterone levels? Please comment down below. I'm actually choosing one comment winner who comments within the first hour of this video release to win a Natural Health Resources Christmas ornament. I'll be mailing them out to you. And I welcome all commentary specific to this subject matter. And if you have any questions about how to get the test kits, I'll actually include a ton of links. They are affiliate links, and these test kits, yes, I do sell these in my store and in my clinic, but this is all meant to impart healthy, impactful information that can help you balance your body. And with that, I'm gonna wish you a healthy, happy holiday, and I look forward to hopefully you tuning in tomorrow to tomorrow's Vlogmas video. See you later.